Hey guys, we are here at the site of a new restaurant. This is the opposite of what I usually do. This is a place that's being built. I'm not going to reveal it, but you will see it in a minute. We're going to look inside. This is a construction zone right here, but they didn't fence it off. And we're going to check out what all they have going on. By the way, I'm in NILES again. I'm in front of the Meijer, and there seems to be a lot of action going around here, so that's good. So yeah, let's go walk around and see what we can find. Okay, we're gonna start at the back. This is a new restaurant, and I got a new phone. And it looks like it's doing pretty good with this night mode thing. All right, clearance 9 feet. Here's their new trash cans that are coming. This is interesting to be at a new place instead of an old place. Oh, wow. My flash is kind of ruining it, but looks almost ready to go. They just have a lot of ladders and equipment in there, but a lot of that's already finished, and this will be a brand new boxy Popeyes. Look how boxy it is. Yeah, they are, I'm sure this is like not what they want me to do, but I don't really care. So this is the making of a boxy, brand new Popeyes. There's a logo instead of a logo scar. There's even a box in the drive-thru. The menu board is off. Yeah, there we go. There is the sign. Brand new Popeyes Louisiana kitchen. Well, here's the siding isn't done. Very bland, very boring. Very small. I don't know, I don't like the new style. Shovel. Shutters. Ooh, propane tanks, okay. I don't know when this place is opening. Looks like it's gonna be soon though, probably within the next month. Big dumpster. There's the other window. One more. Yeah, that is the back area. Wow, I've never seen a place under construction like this. I mean, I've seen abandoned ones having some construction going on, I guess, but obviously I've never seen a new one going up. And this is their, what, like electrical, maybe? And then over there is their dumpster area that's going up. All right, and that will complete my look at the brand new, not done yet, Popeyes. This was done on 2 different days, as you can see my different outfits. The first day there was a truck there, so I left. But one more thing. Over here is I think it's going to be a new Phantom Fireworks. This was the David's Bridal that I filmed a couple months ago. So there's an update on that. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next video.